Hi everyone, I have some exciting news for you. We have expanded the thematic data layers. Thematic data layers are part of the explorer.land tool suite that help to tell evidence-based storytelling for restoration projects. And today I will show you this powerful tool and how to use it and how to bring geotransparency to your work. So why geotransparency is needed? It's quite simple. We had a lot of scams and scandals in the recent time about restoration projects, about carbon projects, and investors, companies, but also the public demand more transparency. They demand high quality projects where you can see and track the progress. This has become now possible also with the thematic data layers. So you can show real verifiable progress. So if you, for example, put your geodata on explorer.land, you can overlay dozens of data layers and show them on top of your project map. It's quite simple. You can activate them on top of the map, and then you can search for a specific data layer that helps you to reveal the information you want to communicate. And of course, always this information can be combined with satellite timelines. And I want to give you two examples. You might want to show forest loss, maybe in the adjacent area to your project. And for this, you can use, for example, the GLAD data layers. They show forest loss alerts. And then you can verify these forest loss alerts, for example, with a monthly planet satellite timeline. Another example, you might want to track not destruction of forests, you might want to track regrowth or reforestation. And you can do this, of course, with the satellite timelines to show how it grows. So from, let's say, no forest towards forest. But in addition, you can cross-check this also with biomass data layer, that showing the rising carbon sequestration. And this enables your community, your followers and your funders to see how the project evolves with real data, almost in real time. I also want to add here a quick teaser, because the thematic data layers, as we now have them, they are for viewing only, and so you can visually analyze the impact. But we now in the process of launching our new Geo-analytics, which is using the thematic data layers and will allow you to analyze the data, quantify the data on a landscape level or even across an entire portfolio. So there you have the possibility to compare different areas, visualize the data in charts, and also download the data to further process it or integrate it into reports. In order to document the thematic data layers, we have created a comprehensive blog post where we describe all the current available data layers with sources, specifications like resolution, how often they are updated, and in regards to certain use cases. You will find a link in the video notes. So in summary, we have made it easier than ever to access reliable geodata. And for us, it was important to make it also accessible for non-GIS experts, because GIS experts might use QGIS, ArcGIS, or Google Earth Engine, but we want to have it really easy accessible at your fingertips. And with that, our goal is that everyone can use these data. So we want to democratize the access to the data, and with that also to transparency. And this finally should result in an increased project quality that will reduce risks and will help serious high-quality projects to rise above the noise of greenwashing and scandals. So, if you want to work with long-term and responsible funders, such funders who value transparency, we believe that the explorer.land tool suite can be a good starting point for your geotransparency journey. Have a great day and hope to welcome you soon on explorer.land. Take care.